Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to create hard disk partition. So let's go to the tutorial. At first I will go to my start menu and then click on the computer, right click on it and go to the manage option. From this manage option I will go to the disk management section. Here my D drive has already 4.86 GB free. I will create a new drive from this location. I will create a 2 GB free hard drive from this location. Just I will click this location, right click on it and click on the shrink volume. It will take a few seconds. Now I will enter the amount 2 GB, that means 2048. 1 GB equal to 1024 MB and 2 GB means 2048 MB, and I will then click on the shrink button. Already created a new drive 2 GB. Okay, it's unallocated, and just go click on the new simple volume and then click on the next. You can choose your desired drive name, HJKLM, which one you like most, and then click on the next. Here you can also change your volume level. As for an example, I will rename this volume with my YouTube channel, Smart User, and just click on the next button, then click on the finish button. You have to wait for it for creating a new drive. Yes, you are clearly seeing that a new drive has been created. If I go to my computer, yes, it's my new drive I have already created, and this drive capacity is only 2 GB. So it's a little tutorial about how to create hard disk partition from one drive. Goodbye.
Yeah.